Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to show content in your location on X, formerly known as Twitter, right from your computer. This is perfect for discovering what's trending near you and tailoring your experience to local topics and conversations. Let's get started. First, open x.com on your browser and log into your account. Once you're at your homepage, look toward the left side of your screen. You'll see the main menu there. Click on More. This will bring up a list of additional options that help you manage your account and settings. Next, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you can personalize everything about your X experience, from security to notifications and, of course, your content preferences. Inside this menu, select Privacy and Safety. This section controls how your information is used and what kind of content appears on your feed. After you open Privacy and Safety, look for the area called Content You See. Click it, and you'll get access to your content display settings. These options let you shape what types of posts and trends appear when you're exploring X. Now, click on Explore Settings. This is where the new update comes in handy. Inside, you'll see an option labeled Show Content in this location. If you check this box, X will begin showing you trending topics, recommendations, and content tailored to your current location. This means your Explore page will feel more relevant and more connected to what's happening around you. And that's it. Once you've checked that setting, your location-based content will start appearing automatically on your Feed and Explore tab. If you ever want to turn it off, just come back to the same menu and uncheck the box. Using this setting is a simple way to make your X experience more personal, local, and up-to-date with what matters most to you. That's how you can easily show content in your location on X for the web on your PC.